Welcome to Such the Reality. I'm Priyanka Parikh and you're watching the Reality Rundown. In today's bulletin, we bring you updates from across the nation. Let's have a look. In a meeting organized by the Jamiat Ulama in Assam, State Chief Maulana Badruddin Ajmal addressed the controversy surrounding the Waqf properties, accusing the government of obstructing the rightful return of these lands. His statement were part of a broader discussion on the government's treatment of Muslim interest in the region. A massive fire broke out in Tura city, Meghalaya on Tuesday night, quickly destroying several shops in Tura market. The blaze spread rapidly, leaving approximately 10 to 15 shops completely destroyed and resulting in significant losses estimated at around 1 crore. Initial investigation indicate that an electrical short circuit caused the fire. Fortunately, the market was closed at the time, preventing any casualties. A fake police officer was apprehended by the Government Railway Police Office at Silchar railway station in Assam. Dressed in an Assam police uniform, he raised suspicious. While trying to order a vehicle, when confronted, he failed to provide proper identification or valid reason for his actions. The railway police promptly detained him for further investigation. India is gearing up to launch 6G services, positioning it among the first countries to adopt this advanced technology. Following the successful rollout of 5G, the government is escalating efforts for 6G implementation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced this during the WTSA in Delhi, emphasizing India as the largest global market for 5G. Umar Abdullah took oath as the first Chief Minister of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, following the National Conference's victory in the inaugural assembly elections after the abrogation of Article 370. The oath ceremony for Abdullah and his councils of ministers were held at Sher-i-Kashmir International Convention Centre in Srinagar. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu has announced a new liquor policy, under which any 180 ml bottle of alcohol will be available for just ₹99. This move aims to fulfill the election promises made by Naidu, assuring voters of good quality liquor at lower price. Nayab Singh Saini has been anonymously elected as the leader of Bharatiya Janata Party Legislative Party in Haryana. His name was proposed by former Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar and former State Minister Anil Vij during a meeting in Panchkula. Saini will take oath as Haryana Chief Minister for the second time tomorrow, October 17th. The Supreme Court has strongly criticized the Haryana and Punjab governments for their inaction against stubble burning and has summoned the chief secretaries of both states for next week. During a hearing on a PIL regarding the air pollution crisis in Delhi NCR, the court questioned why Haryana government is avoiding prosecution of those involved in burning, instead opting for minimal fines. Several Indian flights received bomb threats, following fake calls, fake letters, leading to 2 emergency landings. As India-Canada relations hit a new low following Ottawa's designation of Indian diplomats as person of interest in the investigation of Khalistani terrorist Hardeep Singh Nijjar's murder, Canadian media and think tanks have criticized Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. They have called out his allegations for lacking credible evidence and for spreading misinformation about the Khalistani threat. Thank you. For more such updates, keep watching Such the Reality.
উৎসৱৰ বতৰ মানে ডাটা মিছনৰ ধামাকা আছিল। এইবেলিও উৎসৱৰ বতৰত ডাটা মিছনে লৈ আনিছে ফেষ্টিভ ধামাক আছিল। টিভি, ফ্ৰিজ, ৱাশ্বিং মেচিন, এচি, মোবাইলৰ লগতে সকলো ইলেক্ট্ৰনিক সামগ্ৰীতে দিয়া হৈছে আকৰ্ষণীয় ৰেহাই মূল্যৰ লগতে জিৰ' ডাউন পেমেণ্টৰো বিশেষ সুবিধা। 6 অক্টোবৰৰ পৰা 1 নৱেম্বৰৰ ভিতৰত বজাৰ কৰিলে গ্ৰাহকে লাভ কৰিব আকৰ্ষণীয় উপহাৰো। গতিকে পলম নকৰি আজিয়ে ভিজিট কৰক ডাটা মিছন শ্ব'ৰুম, GS ৰোড, উলুবাৰী, গুৱাহাটী অথবা যোগাযোগ কৰক 7086094885 আৰু 7086094900 নম্বৰত।
हाय।
अरे दिशा, हाय, आओ बैठो और बताओ कैसी हो?
बस मैं ठीक हूँ, लेकिन तुमने क्या हाल बना के रखा अपना? ऊपर से इतनी परेशान लग रही हो।
अरे दिशा बोलो मत, त्योहारों का सीजन है। घर के साफ सफाई के लिए पेस्ट कंट्रोल सर्विसेज को बुलाया था, पर कुछ फायदा ही नहीं हुआ। अभी भी कीड़े मकोड़े कॉकरोचेस ने मतलब परेशान करके रखा है। ऊपर से घर में छोटे बच्चे भी है, क्या करो?
अरे क्यों? MK ट्रेड सेंटर पेस्ट कंट्रोल सर्विसेज है ना।
MK ट्रेड सेंटर एंड पेस्ट कंट्रोल सर्विसेज पर वो क्यों? मैंने तो कभी सुना ही नहीं नाम।
क्योंकि एमके थ्रेट सेंटर पिछले 25 सालों से पूरे नॉर्थ ईस्ट का लीडिंग पेस्ट कंट्रोल और टर्माइट कंट्रोल ब्रांड बना हुआ है। ये सिर्फ कीड़े मकोड़ों को भगाने तक सीमित नहीं है, बल्कि उन्हें जड़ से मिटाने का वादा भी करते हैं। एमके थ्रेट सेंटर के पेस्ट कंट्रोल सर्विसेज 100% चाइल्ड फ्रेंडली और इको फ्रेंडली है, जो कि आपके परिवार और एनवायरनमेंट दोनों के लिए सुरक्षित है। तो अब परेशान होने की कोई जरूरत नहीं। एमके थ्रेट सेंटर, हर प्रॉब्लम का परफेक्ट सॉल्यूशन। पेस्ट कंट्रोल से लेकर टर्माइट कंट्रोल तक, आपके घर की सुरक्षा के लिए हमेशा तैयार। आज ही संपर्क करें 9365727617 पर।